Woohoo! Today is Friday the 13th. We're in March. It was said 36 degrees when I got out of work. It's a tad chilly, but not bad at all. But seeing Friday the 13th, I figured I'd try and walk across the lake to the other side. But man, surprise, surprise. It's still got ice all the way across it. I thought for sure I'd see some open areas of water, but nope, it's still got the ice on it. We've had some warm days. But that's how it's been frozen for quite some time. We had a real good cold spell, which really made for some real thick ice and some great ice fishing. Surprise. No open area yet. Yeah, it should be safe to go. I'm on this new path that was opened up last year right off the center of Gardner. It's just a little stroll I'm going on. Just stretch out the legs. Breathe in that fresh air. Oh man. Just love it outside. Just love it.